Have you ever wondered if there's one single habit that can improve your life instantly? That's a question I've been asking myself for the past couple of years. And after looking for a very long time, I realized that I've been actually practicing this habit for the past 2 years unconsciously. And you might be thinking that a habit that improves your life instantly must take a lot of time and effort, right? Well, that's the weird part about this, because it doesn't take much time at all and it's actually incredibly easy. Today, February 22nd, exactly 2 years ago, I started writing down things that I'm grateful for in a notebook. When I started gratitude journaling, I noticed that it was actually pretty fun and easy to do. But before I knew it, miracles started to happen. Before recording this, I was reading in this notebook what I've written down 2 years ago when I started gratitude journaling. And one of the things that caught my eye was that I was writing down basically every single day that I was grateful for the growth my first YouTube channel had. This made me a little bit curious, so I went back to YouTube Studio and checked my analytics for March and February 2023. And it really blew my mind. I gained more than 4 million views and close to 9,000 new subscribers within 2 months in that period. Do you remember that I just said that I started gratitude journaling on February 22nd? Well, my channel started to blow up a couple days later on February 27th. Now, what's the magic of this gratitude journaling? Why does it work? Everyone on this planet knows the law of gravity, right? It's a natural force which pulls us to another object that contains mass. We can't really see it, but even if we don't believe in it, it still works, right? Now, in this universe, there are multiple forces similar to gravity, and one of those forces is the law of attraction. The law of attraction says that similar things are attracted to each other. So positive things attract positive things and negative things attract negative things. So this means that if you have positive thoughts, you also attract positive things in your life. And this is exactly why gratitude journaling is such a life-changing habit. By focusing on what you're grateful for, you create an enormous positive vibration. And as a result, you attract positive things in your life and you will achieve your dreams way faster than before. If I could recommend one habit to you to improve your life, it would definitely be gratitude journaling. It's so incredibly easy and it doesn't take much time at all compared to other self-improvement habits. But what if you don't know where to start or you just don't feel like writing things down in a journal every single day? No worries, I got you. I made a short audio file you can listen to as much as you want, which helps you to express your gratitude effectively. This easily helps you to get a feeling of gratitude without too much effort at all, and ultimately even helps you to achieve your biggest dreams. Oh, and you also get access to my community and the ability to speak with me one-on-one. If you're interested in this, check the first link in the description. Now, gratitude journaling is an amazing thing and I can recommend it to basically everyone. It can really help you to achieve your goals and make your biggest dreams come true. But the problem is most people set goals for themselves in the wrong way. So everything I said in this video is kind of useless if you don't have a great strategy to achieve your goals. So watch this video next where I explain how the most successful people set goals for themselves and how they actually achieve them.